Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the karst landforms. The landforms which are formed in those rocks which are easily dissolved by the groundwater. So these landforms are mainly formed in the region of if dolomite rocks are there or calcium carbonate rocks are there. So in those regions majorly karst landforms are present, although they can be present in other regions like some rocks which can be dissolved or can be corroded easily. There also these landforms can be found, but here we are going to discuss about the calcium carbonate rocks majorly. Moving on, these are the landforms which are formed by the process of erosion and deposition in the whole process of the karst topography, wherein the water is going to erode the rocks. First of all, what happens in this process is a sinkhole is formed. What do we mean by sinkholes? Sinkholes are the points from where water can enter inside. Let's say this is the point from where this river water is entering inside and which is corroding the rocks. So there are some limestone rocks are present. Limestone is present here. So this limestone can be easily corroded by the water. But this is the point that is sinkhole, the hole which is allowing the water to enter and corrode the inside rocks. This is the point from where the water is entering into the deep regions and crossing the various layers of the rocks and entering inside to corrode it. So these are the caves. After the water enters here, it forms the structures like caves. These are the caves. Other part we can see the limestone is there. This white region is limestone. The other parts are some landforms which are formed here. So these landforms are majorly caves because these are the empty regions in which water is flowing, or else these are just empty. In the other parts we can see limestone is present. So there are two major terms, that is stalagmite and stalactite. So if it is stalagmite, then it means in the caves, if some pointed arcs are there rising above, these are stalagmites. If these are in the downward direction, then these are stalactite. So there are various stalactite and stalagmites can be found, and sometimes we can see that these stalagmites and stalactites are joined together forming this type of structures. And these caves, as we can see that river is coming here then going to this direction, these are like caves formed under the earth. So river has disappeared completely from the upper surface and then moved down under these caves, and at some point it will come out, and this point is known as Karst Spring, the point from which we can see it on the ground also. So from this point it is not under the cave, it has come outside. So there are various important terms here, like we can say this is a cave and this is another cave, these are joined by some points, it is known as dissolved joint. This river which has come down from the top surface is known as subterranean river here. So this way we can look at various landforms which are formed in the karst topography, wherein we can find limestone also, and the landforms which are formed by river also. Uh, as we can see that the landforms formed by the river on the upper surface are known as fluvial landforms, but if river is helping to form some landforms inside, or we can say down the surface of earth, then it is known as the karst topography. We can see the stalactite and stalagmite here also. Stalactite these are, and stalagmite these are the limestone present in the caves. These are dense caves here. There are various sites of limestone which can be found in India, like Himalayan region. We can say it is easy to find those calcium carbonate rocks also, dolomite rocks. Some regions of this Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP, in these regions also we can find the dolomite and calcium carbonate rocks. I hope you understand the terms related to the karst topography. Thank you for watching.